Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix no connection problem in Mini Militia game. So you can see my Mini Militia game right here. I'll try to open it up and let's see the problem together. So it's going to start reading no connection, attempting to find connection, and at the end of the day you still see it to say please connect to internet to continue playing with your account. But you can see this as actually an error. You can see right here where you say error code N2-1. So this is actually a common error that has been going on for some hours or a day or two now. So a lot of people have also been facing this issue. So I can suggest two ways that's going to work out for you. So first step is actually closing up the Mini Militia app, and you go to update your Mini Militia on your Play Store or your Apple Store, and once you search for it you can see this, and once you see an update you click on updates to update the app. So after doing that, another step you can take is going to your settings, your phone settings, and opening up your apps. And once you're in apps you click on Mini Militia to clear up the cache and the data, because sometimes it might be as a result of bug issue. So once you click on storage, you clear the cache, clear the data, and after doing that, you do go back again and click on force stop. And once you click on that, you wait, refresh your internet connection again, or maybe try using the Wi-Fi this time to make it better. And if yours doesn't get fixed after all these procedures, you have to wait for the server to automatically be fixed. Maybe they're just trying to upgrade the app and that's why there's no connection altogether. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.